Greetings from the Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York Lighthouse, which is located within the gated community of Seagate. One of the best ways to view the Coney Island Lighthouse is walking along Shore Road Park, which is quite easy to find as it is right alongside of the Verrazzano Bridge connecting the borough of Brooklyn to Staten Island. Now I'm here for a summer sunset, and this is the Fort Hamilton area of Brooklyn. And you can get here by taking the R train to the last stop and then just walk down 4th Street and you'll see the Verrazzano Bridge. Now heading towards Coney Island, you will see the island in which the seals live on. But I'm here early as this is an evening visit to go to Coney Island for the Friday night fireworks. And I wanted to get here for a sunset at Gravesend Bay, and also I knew that this would be the best viewpoint for the Coney Island Lighthouse. Now again, I've seen the lighthouse. It is very oddly placed, very close between two homes. There are some railings that wrap around the lighthouse. There are pictures of it available. If you're out in the water, you can clearly see the lighthouse. That is what it is there for, to guide the ships in. And where are these boats coming from? Well, right now it looks as if that would be a ferry boat coming in from Sandy Hook, New Jersey. And that is a quick view of the Coney Island Lighthouse in the borough of Brooklyn. I love New York. Till next time, happy summer.